Today I have this 10-piece reusable Ziploc bag set, perfect for school lunches, perfect for freezer storage, and perfect for saving, you know, plastic, because you don't want to just be reusing the same lunch bags and having to throw them away and just spreading plastic all around the world. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how these work. So you can see right here, they're colorful and cute, perfect for kids, and you could just easily just open it up like that. So soft and literally looks so sleek. And over here I just have some cut up strawberries, and yeah, you could just easily pack them in here and take them with you wherever, as you can see. And they lock perfectly, and it comes in different sizes. So I have 2 of these little snack ones, then there's 4 of these blue ones, which are like averagely sized. And then you have 3 of these yellow ones, which are gallon size. Let me step back for a bit. But yeah, I totally love these because I'm really self-conscious about my plastic wastage towards the earth. So me having these reusable Ziploc bags that I can easily just wash and use again instead of constantly throwing out plastic helps the earth. And yeah, it just makes me feel better about my wastage. So yeah, I love these.